Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Google Maps Street View. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Google Maps app. Some Android devices come with it pre-installed, but if you do not have it, download it from the App Store or Play Store. Once installed, open the app and search for a location you want to explore in Street View. Zoom in on the desired area and tap on a street to drop a pin. After placing the pin, you will see a small square in the top left corner with a circular arrow icon. Find the Street View option and tap on it. Once in Street View mode, use the arrows on the screen to navigate or double tap to move forward. You can look around by swiping left, right, up, or down. To exit Street View, tap the back button in the top left corner. If you want to explore another location, tap the X in the top right corner to remove the pin and select a new street to view. So that's basically how you can use Google Maps Street View. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.